It's your boy. Yeah, man, I'm about to head back to this chiropractor to get my back cracked for the second time. And let's hope he get to finish today, because he didn't get to finish last time. And yeah, I kind of want this shit popped, and I want it to be exactly how it need to be, because like I said, I'm only 80% right now. Probably 85. I'm ready to go back to 100. I'd rather be at 110%, but you know, hey. Y'all watching, like, share, subscribe. If you like the video, do me a favor, hit that like button. Hell, subscribe. Just, you know what I'm saying, just don't sit here watch it and don't do nothing. Hell, say something. If you don't like it, let me know. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'm just saying, I need more feedback. Y'all ain't give me no damn feedback. So until then, I'm gonna be begging for feedback. Fuck that, I ain't begging for shit. But I would like some feedback. So yeah, go ahead and leave a comment down there. And shit, continue this ride with your boy.
And we back at the chiropractor, so let's get it done. That right there is my x-ray. You can see where my spine is slick crooked.
My belly's a little big, so my back kind of sits up a little high.
Yeah, absolutely.
I've been meaning on losing the gut for years, but you know how I like good fried foods.
Yeah. Feel that right there?
I do.
That big knot. I'll loosen that up just a little bit. We're gonna work our way up. How's it going, man?
Pretty good.
Nice to see you sitting up.
Yeah. Yeah, it took me about Sunday to actually get up, and I was just like, oh my gosh. It was, but like I said, I'm not a big fan of pain, so I try to deal through it.
Hope not.
Make sure you got me a good drink afterwards.
Yeah, I can already feel it. That already feels bad. I feel the difference in there. I've broken that up quite a bit. That's good. Good way to respond there. So what we're going to be doing, you can tell you got some kinks going on. It's got a little twist in there in the mid-back area. So we got to kind of address that, all that stuff. I want to go ahead and see how that mid-back is going to, or that lower back rather, is going to move. So what we're going to do is we're going to have you on your side. You're going to be facing me, okay? And like I said, we're going to try to minimize you on your stomach, because again, I don't want to aggravate that any more than it already has been.
Believe me, I don't want to do it.
How you feeling right now?
That's cool right
okay.
there.
Anytime you feel any kind of discomfort, if any soreness, you just let me know, okay?
All right.
What we're doing is we're going to do a nice stretch. Open this back up. Just let this kind of roll down, over and around. Coming down. Good job. On your back for me, good job. And did you play football when you were younger?
I did. 8-9 years.
There we go.
I felt that one.
Yep. Your low back showing us what's called a spondylolisthesis.
Okay.
Basically what that means is there's all the vertebrae are supposed to just line right up. And your lowest one where your tailbone comes in, called your sacrum, it's shifted slightly. So instead of it normally being even, yours has a little, it's like pushed back slightly.
Gotcha.
Probably an injury from football, something like that. But what that does is that creates a little kink down there.
Milk.
And then it can flare up and do all sorts of different things.
So that's the feeling you get when you feel like you need your back pop and just can't reach it.
That's part of it, yeah, absolutely, yep. We're going to just kind of bend the legs. We do different adjustments for that. We do an anterior adjustment for that. An anterior spondy adjustment is coming up. Which knee were you feeling most of the discomfort?
Left knee.
Yeah. Right there. A little bit of icy band. We'll just kind of bend. Let's bend this. Bring that down. I just want this to fall. Feeling that in the leg more.
Feels good.
Good. We're going to go to the other side as well. We're going to be using our drop table, so this is going to come up.
Ooh, felt that one.
A little tender.
This one was, well, my strong one was a little weaker than my weak one. This is both great now. We adjusted those last time, we're still holding it well. So we have no issues there. Let's sit up here at the end of the table. You can scoot this a little forward. What I'm going to do, we're going to do a full anterior adjustment. I'm going to be having my knee back here, I'm going to lay back in just a minute. I want you to tell me if there's any kind of pain, discomfort, anything like that, okay?
Take it off, yeah, take a little bit, just so you're not unbalanced. How are you feeling right now just standing? Any pain, discomfort in that area, or what are you feeling?
Right here.
Mostly on the left, or right in the, kind of in the center?
Kind of the center, but
Yep.
probably about a centimeter or two to the left.
Yeah, that's right where it is. Good, I want you to keep standing there.
Come back a little bit, yeah. You can discomfort, feel good. Come forward. Go ahead, bend back again. Come forward. Bend back again. Come forward. Bend back again. And relax. There you go. Straight up for me. Now, once you don't see anything, you're doing a limbo, man. We can see any farther back there.
Turn sideways. Show me that stretch that you do when you come forward. How you feeling right there?
I can feel the pressure building up right here.
Yep. Is that usually as far as you go, or how?
I can usually go a little further, like palms.
Uh-huh.
Kind of, but that's about the base of it.
Okay.
But I
You never feel that pain as much right there. Yeah, but I just feel like a little, like just doing this, like it's tight. Just a little bit.
Compared to how when it was real bad,
when it was real bad, I could probably go about it's about right here before.
How much better is it percentage-wise? Would you say?
Well, I say since I came in, it's probably about 90, 95 right now.
Okay.
There's not as much pain.
So we're getting there. Just
Yeah.
kind of let a little bit of time get.
I can tell you I feel 10 times better than last time.
Yeah, I can see that, man. I can definitely.
So as you can see, today was a success. We got some shit taken care of, and yeah, we in this massage chair right now.
Hey, Mickey.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, hey, hey. I'm gonna interrupt you for just a minute, my man.
So they told me the program prices really ain't that bad. $190 a month. That's 2 weeks, so $400 a month for 5 times a week if you wanted to. I'm gonna do it 2 times a month for $75. I only need it every other week because I know I'm whispering, but this chair feels good. This chair feels fantastic. I'm sorry. Yeah, this shit feels good, boy. Yeah, it feels. You need to get your arm cut. I need one of these hoes at the house.
They used to call me Barber back in the day. Oh, just kidding.
Bro, what are you doing?
Everything.
Why you always stick your tongue out?
Because you always try to get a nigga when he ain't looking.
He talking about y'all trying to get a nigga when you ain't looking. Obviously you looking when you wake look up and stick your tongue out.
Healthy hair. Souped out pressed hair. Check that out. Ain't that?
Bella, don't eat it.
She said, oh no, not my hair.